Hello and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fakisha. In this video, we will be discussing how to use BCD displays with Arduino with Atmega 328P IC and Atmega 2560 IC. That is of Arduino Mega. That is Atmega 256 IC, and Uno uses Atmega um, 328 PIC. So first in front of you we have Atmega 2560 IC connected to two BCD displays have common anode, and in this I have made a program which we will be discussing in the end. And what this display will be showing, it will show us counting of from 0 to 99. So if we start, so our simulation has started. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this way, this counting will exceed to 99. It's just slow because of a clock. If we make it faster, it will display us fastly. We will be also seeing this in hardware. So this is now 10, then 11, 12, and this way this will be increasing up till 99. So let's discuss another one. So here we have um, keyboard attached to Atmega 328 PIC. It is giving the input to the Atmega 328 PIC and or from port B, and the port D is giving us the output on a BCD display that what is the input. So if I run the simulation, if I press 1 over here, it is showing me 1 on the output. If I give 2, it gives me 2. 3, it gives me 3. If I give 6, it gives me 6. 5 for 5, 4 for 4, 7 for 7, 9 for 9, and 0 for 0. So in this way, this program is working. We will also see the program at the end. And here is the clock. We are using 16 cross 2 LCD. You can also use BCD display, but I have used a 16 cross 2 LCD. So this is the display. This is of second, this is of minute, and this is of hour. So our seconds are being increased. So in this way, when 60 seconds will be completed, it will show us 1 minute. And when 60 minutes will be completed, it will show us our 1 hour, and this all will be reset to 0. So if I move on towards our programs, so here is the C program for the BCD display from 0 to 99. So here I have made we have declared output ready or K port and F port of Atmega 2560, and we have used delay library and the standard library for AVR microcontrollers, and we have used double Z. This is a list, and this list contains the elements for 1, 2, 3, 4 up till 9. So we are running actually these um, hex, or you can say ASCII character in this loop. This loop is moving from 0 to 99 in incremental order, and this has a port F output, which is in the port, and port K is within the port F, which is showing us output. So in this way, this program is running. So if I move towards the second program, the keyboard program, that is giving us keyboard. So we have used AVR standard library, the delay library. We are using a 10 you can say megahertz frequency oscillator or a clock or crystal. So we have in Intman, we have DDR-B as output port, and 4 as output and 4 are input, and these are actually the keyboard is attached to them. So our rows are this one and columns are this one. So then we have made a list of 8 characters. Our DDR-D board is an output port, and we have port B, we are declaring a 3. So for each we have made a if statement, and else if till all the commands are run. So if we press 0, it will display as 0. If we press 1, it will display as 1. So in this way this program is running. So for the third program we have the clock. So the clock program has a standard AVR library, 10 megahertz oscillator or clock or crystal, and then we have interrupt library. We are using LCD328P header file that we have created, which we will discuss in the next video of LCDs. And this is a relay library. We have defined port D data, and we have declared unsigned int hours, minute 0, second 0, check 0, and all are declared as zeros. Then we in LCD clock we have to display time in hour, minute, and second. This function displays this, and then we have this command use adds 30 to convert the number into hex, and this removes the last digit, this command, and displays the stored digit on the LCD. Then we have timer. We are initializing the timer, and this is CTC mode, operation mode of timer. Okay, then we have timer 1 interrupt int function over here, and it is enabling the global interrupt bit. And then we have timer 1 interrupt subroutine to control the variable of clock, this function does. And then we have int main, where we are calling all the functions, and this is initializing the LCD from the header file that we have made. This function is there, and this is the displays function is also there. And then we are calling relay, and this is a clear function from header file. And then we are using interrupt timer 1, and these all functions are then and called, and this is end jump and min write and hr write functions. So that was it from this video. Thank you very much.